All right. And then how did you get into digital art? Right? Because there's like this huge, no, I don't want to say debate. There's a huge difference of how young people are more drawn to digital art.
Are they?
Because of the technology.
Right. Yeah.
I don't know. From my time in Asia, I have not seen that many students mixing colors and painting, but I've seen almost like every other student sketching.
Yes. Well, sketching is basic, right? I would say you really can't become a visual artist if you don't start with hand sketching things. It's your first interface. The first interface with art is your body, right? Your hands, for the most part. Although, I'm going to go off on a tangent here. There's an art student in my college who was a paraplegic.
Oh.
And he would come to class with, he would be in an electric wheelchair and he'd operate it with his mouth, with a joystick. And the teacher would set up a sketch pad in front of him and put a pencil in his mouth. And every class he would sit there for 40 minutes and draw that way. So, your body is your first interface. It doesn't have to be your hands.
And so your first contact was sketching, right?
Oh, yeah. Ever since I was,
what did you use to sketch?
My earliest memories. As a kid,
I'm still drawing. When I'm stressed out, I draw in my hand like a boat, the shape of a boat.
Shape of a boat.
And then I have like a sail.
Was that a boat you just drew?
Yeah, okay. It's like my weird shape of a boat, and that's how it keeps me.
Lego.
Like, I know I stay focused, or like whenever I'm excited or whatever. That's the first image I go back to.
But that's a memory you have of when you're actually drawing the boat.
Yes, but right now I draw it in my head whenever I'm like stressed out over something. Very weird.
I don't do that.
That's weird.
That's interesting.
So what was your first interface with art? Obviously sketching. What did you sketch?
Oh, as a kid you sketch animals. Me and my brother, we both did art. We grew up together doing art. Bugs. We had a bee phase. We would just draw bees day in and day out. And then it was like dragons, moved on to army stuff. We used to like draw battleships and tanks.